fucking Mickey Mouse and shit. Chains from Home Depot, wood from the backyard. Took this motherfucking monster out that fucking car. So just update. Yep, it ended up being the torque converter. That shit stripped out. Like, I thought it was the solenoid. Well, I knew it was a torque converter, but I figured I'd give the solenoids a try first. You just never know, but yeah, it was a waste of time. I was just on a Hail Mary hoping. That last hole, that shit ain't got no teeth. It's supposed to have teeth like the rest. Yeah, that shit look like a fucking, like a monster worm fucking mouth. Look at that shit. Gone. Yep, like all the other videos. Ford Taurus. Torque converters fucking suck ass. That shit was a fucking mission, not having the right tools and everything, but I got it done. I pretty much just used the regular jack and shit. Dropped it, bam. It just tilted a little bit and I just slid it out. You can see the trail right there where I slid it from. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys an update on when I put it back on.